today's tutorial, I want to show you how to combine multiple columns into a single column in Microsoft Excel. If you need to combine multiple columns into a single column in Microsoft Excel worksheet, I will introduce you a handy tool, Kutools for Excel. With its transform range feature, you can quickly combine multiple columns into one single column or single row. Select the columns data that you want to combine. Click the Kutools tab. In the Range and Cells group, click the Range drop-down list and select Transform Range. In the Transform Range dialog box, select Range to Single Column option in the Transform Type section. Click the OK button, and in the pop-up dialog box, select the cell where you want to output the result. Click the OK button, and the selected columns have been combined into one single column. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.